Today, I promise you, if you watch this video until the very end, you will design at least 5 very profitable products for Etsy and Amazon. All you have to do is focus and watch the video until the end. When we go to Etsy and search for Scissor Skills Worksheet, we'll find so many amazing products. But the real question is, are these products actually making sales? So we go ahead and analyze the keyword. We'll find that the monthly search volume for this keyword is 22,300, and the competition is only 1,800. That means this product has high monthly demand and low competition. And the click rate is 12%, which is a very strong rate. This is absolutely a product I recommend you design today and start selling on Etsy and Amazon, because there is a huge opportunity to profit from it. And if we scroll down just a little, we'll find many similar keywords related to this one. Some of them have slightly lower monthly searches, which means you can generate even more ideas using these suggested keywords. This is how you build a full product line from one idea. Now, if we go back to Etsy to look at the designs and see whether we can create something similar or not, we'll find so many beautiful designs. All of them look impressive, and they're making strong sales. For example, this design right here, I really like it. Let's take a closer look. You'll notice the seller created colorful pages with dotted cutting lines, and at the bottom of each page, they added a face, so kids can play and enjoy the cutting activity. The child's job is to use scissors to cut along the dotted lines, which helps them control the scissors and improve hand coordination at the same time. So the question now is, how can we design something like this? But before we jump into the design stage, there is something very important you need to hear. So make sure you stay with me until the end. Regarding my bundle that consists of 80 books, there is a brand new update that I created today for this collection. As you already know, this bundle includes 80 books that you can edit with precision, merge together, and customize. And we've already explained this before using Canva. You're not just getting PDF files here, you're also getting Canva links. These books are perfect for Amazon KDP. Each one of the 80 books contains 30 carefully designed pages created with more than 7 years of experience in this field. We start with teaching kids the alphabet, then move to words, and after that to different types of practice and activity books. And you also know that this year, math books are trending like crazy. I didn't forget that at all. I created more than 5 math books for different age groups and different types of exercises. Honestly, if you focus only on the math books, you'll find that their value alone is much higher than the price of the entire bundle. But I reduced the price for a limited time just for you. All types of exercises and activity books are included in this bundle. For example, the Find the Differences book includes 30 pages. And I'm sure that if you asked a designer to create 30 pages like this, it would cost you around $250. I want you to go to the website that I'll leave in the pinned comment and see for yourself the number of pages and books you'll get. And there are also some books you won't find on Amazon or Etsy at all. They come purely from my own ideas and designs. I'm confident that if you focus on them, you'll stand out, and your store will offer books that other stores simply don't have. And we didn't forget adults either. This bundle is not just for kids. There are adult coloring books and more. Now, about the big update I mentioned earlier. Last month, as you know, we added 5 new products that only buyers of this bundle could access to give them extra value, and these were specifically for Etsy. Today, I added 5 more new products to the bundle. That means we now have 10 new products plus the original 80 books the bundle is named after. That's 90 products total. Imagine having 90 products that you can merge and turn into hundreds of listings. The first product from these 10 is completely free for everyone. Once you click on it, it opens instantly, and you'll be able to see the creativity behind it. It's 100% my own design. I'm very confident this product will generate a lot of sales because it focuses on numbers. And as we analyzed earlier at the beginning of the video, numbers from 1 to 10 are already proven winners. On the last page of this product, I included ideas to help you design it easily. And if we go back to the bundle again, you'll see that the original price is $110. But with a huge discount, the bundle is available today for just $29. That's a fraction of its real value, especially since I update this bundle and add new books every month. And if you purchased the bundle in the past, don't worry. You'll find the 5 new books already added to your account. Go now to the pinned comment and grab this bundle. I'm absolutely sure you'll make multiple times the money you paid for it. It's a very small investment. Thank you for staying with me, and now let's move directly into designing the product we saw at the beginning of the video. Now we move to Canva so we can design the product we saw at the beginning of the video. We're going to create a new design with dimensions 8.5 by 11 inches. At the beginning, we'll start by coloring the page. Let's make the first page orange. Then we'll go to the Elements tab and search for Face. You'll find so many great faces here. Just choose a cute face that works for kids. I'm going to choose this one, make it a little bigger, and place it at the bottom of the orange page, just like this. And when you click on See More, you'll discover even more amazing options. After that, I'll add a new page and change its color. Let's make the second page red. Then I'll place a face at the bottom like this. For the third page, let's make it yellow and add a different face. And for the fourth page, let's choose this purple color, and again, add a different face at the bottom of the page like this. Now we have multiple colorful pages ready for kids. Then I'll go back to the first page again so we can add the dotted cutting lines that the child will use with scissors. I'll go back to Elements and search for Dotted Line. You'll find many different dotted lines here. Let's choose this wavy one. I'll make it slightly bigger, then rotate it so it becomes vertical. If it's too short for the full length of the page, all we have to do is duplicate it and place the copied part above it like this, so both pieces connect together as if they are one single long line. Then I'll duplicate this line several times and arrange them across the page like this. I hope everything is clear and simple so far, and make sure you watch until the end of the video because there are more products we're going to design together. In this video, we're not designing just one product, we're building multiple profitable products together. Then after that, let's move to the second page. I'll choose a dotted line, but with a different style this time. And using the same method, I'll rotate it so it becomes vertical, then resize it so it covers the entire page. After that, I'll duplicate it several times and arrange it neatly across the page like this. Once we're done, we'll move, using the same exact method, to the next page and choose another dotted line with a new shape. Then again, I'll duplicate the line multiple times after rotating it 90 degrees so it becomes horizontal, and I'll organize it like this. And then I'll move to the next page, and by now, you understand the process. I really hope you clearly understand how to design something like this beautiful and simple product. And this is the first product in this video. Like I told you, this video will include more than one product. Now, if we go back to Etsy again, for example, this product right here looks very good to me. The seller created 4 geometric shapes using dotted lines on one page so the child can learn how to cut geometric shapes. So how do we design something this simple? All we have to do is go back to Canva and add a new page. We want to divide this page into 4 sections. It's very easy. I'll press the letter L on the keyboard to add a straight line. Then I'll reduce the thickness of the line to 2 and resize it like this. I'll place it right in the center of the page so it divides it into 2 sections, top and bottom. Then I'll duplicate that line, rotate the new one vertically, and place it again in the center of the page. Just like that, the page is now divided into 4 equal sections. And now to add the dotted geometric shapes for kids, let's start with the first section of the page and add a circle by pressing the letter C on the keyboard. It will automatically insert a circle like this. I'll change the color of the circle to white, then I'll add a border with a thickness of 2. After that, I'll make this border dotted from this menu right here. Then I'll slightly increase the size of the circle and place it in the top left quarter of the page. After that, I'll duplicate the circle 3 times and place one circle inside each section of the page. Just like that, we're done with this page. Now I'll duplicate the page that contains the circles, and very simply, I'll click on the circle, go to the Edit option, and with one click, I can transform this circle into multiple other shapes, like a square, a star, and all the other geometric shapes available in this panel. And just like that, you can quickly create an entire geometric cutting workbook in minutes. I truly hope you benefited a lot from this video. Now go ahead and grab my bundle. You'll find the website link in the pinned comment and in the description. I'll see you in a new video very soon. Take care and goodbye.